We all crave that healthy, radiant glow. It's about feeling confident in your skin. People are turning to natural solutions. Embrace simplicity and effectiveness. Let's talk about face masks. A natural face mask can be your secret weapon. Natural ingredients work in harmony with your body. Ready to unlock the power of nature for your skin? Your kitchen pantry is a goldmine of natural skincare ingredients, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and healing properties. Honey is a natural humectant. It attracts and retains moisture. Turmeric soothes irritation and redness. Aloe vera calms and cools sensitive skin. Each ingredient promotes skin health. The beauty of natural skincare lies in its simplicity. Honey, a golden nectar produced by bees, isn't just a delicious sweetener. It's a powerhouse of skin-loving properties. Used for centuries in traditional skincare, honey is a natural humectant. This means it attracts and retains moisture from the air, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. Honey also boasts antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic natural remedy for acne-prone skin. It gently cleanses pores, removing dirt and impurities that can lead to breakouts. Plus, its soothing nature helps calm redness and inflammation, leaving your skin feeling balanced and refreshed. Its gentle yet effective properties make it suitable for all skin types. So, the next time you reach for a sugary treat, remember the skincare benefits of this liquid gold. Turmeric, the vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a skincare superstar with a long history of traditional use. The secret lies in curcumin, turmeric's active compound, known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties make turmeric a powerful ally in the fight against acne. It helps reduce inflammation associated with breakouts, soothing redness, and calming the skin. Turmeric also exhibits antioxidant effects, protecting your skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals. Turmeric can also help fade hyperpigmentation, those pesky dark spots left behind by acne or sun exposure. Embrace the power of this golden spice and let it work its magic on your skin. Aloe vera, a succulent plant with fleshy leaves, has earned its reputation as a skincare savior. Its gel, extracted from the leaves, is a soothing balm for various skin concerns. If your skin feels irritated, inflamed, or sunburned, aloe vera can provide much-needed relief. This incredible plant is a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to calm redness, itching, and irritation. Aloe vera forms a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and promoting healing. Whether you've spent a little too long in the sun or your skin is feeling sensitive, aloe vera can be your go-to remedy. Keep an aloe vera plant in your home for a readily available source of natural skincare goodness. Tea tree oil, derived from the leaves of the Australian tea tree, is a potent essential oil with a long history of medicinal use. Today, it's widely recognized for its powerful antiseptic and antimicrobial properties, making it a popular ingredient in skincare products, especially for acne-prone skin. Tea tree oil effectively targets the bacteria that contribute to acne breakouts, helping to reduce inflammation and promote clearer skin. However, it's important to note that tea tree oil is very potent and should always be diluted in a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. When used correctly, tea tree oil can be a valuable tool in your quest for clear, healthy skin. Ready to unleash your inner mixologist? Creating your own natural face mask is easier than you think. For this simple yet effective face mask recipe, you'll need just 3 key ingredients: raw honey, turmeric powder, and aloe vera gel. Start with a tablespoon of raw honey, the base of our mask and a natural humectant. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, our anti-inflammatory and glow-boosting agent. Finally, incorporate a teaspoon of aloe vera gel, known for its soothing and hydrating properties. Mix these ingredients thoroughly in a small bowl until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. And there you have it, your very own natural face mask, ready to revitalize your skin. Think of your skin as a canvas. Before applying any masterpiece, you need to prime it for optimal results. Proper skin preparation ensures the mask's ingredients can penetrate deeply and work their magic effectively. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle, natural cleanser. This removes dirt, oil, and makeup residue, creating a clean slate for the mask. Next, exfoliation. Gently removing dead skin cells allows for better absorption of the mask's beneficial ingredients. Now, rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Once your skin is clean and dry, it's time for the main event, applying your natural face mask. Applying a face mask should be a relaxing and enjoyable experience, a moment of self-care in your busy day. With your skin prepped and ready, it's time to indulge in this rejuvenating ritual. Using clean fingertips or a soft brush, gently apply an even layer of your natural face mask to your skin. Avoid the delicate areas around your eyes and mouth. As you apply the mask, take a moment to breathe deeply and relax. This is your time to unwind and let the natural ingredients work their magic. Remember, less is more. You don't need a thick layer of mask for it to be effective. Now sit back, relax, and let the mask work its magic while you enjoy a few moments of peace and quiet. With the mask comfortably settled on your skin, it's time to relax and let the natural ingredients work their magic. But how long should you leave it on? Typically, 15 to 20 minutes is ideal for most face masks, including our natural concoction. This allows ample time for the ingredients to penetrate your skin and deliver their benefits without drying it out. However, always listen to your skin. If you experience any discomfort or irritation, rinse off the mask immediately. After the allotted time, it's time to remove the mask. Use lukewarm water and a soft washcloth to gently wipe away the mask. Once the mask is completely removed, splash your face with cool water to tighten pores and refresh your skin. After treating your skin to a revitalizing natural face mask, it's essential to seal in all that goodness with a nourishing moisturizer. While face masks work wonders in cleansing, exfoliating, and delivering potent ingredients to your skin, they can sometimes temporarily disrupt your skin's natural moisture balance. Moisturizing after a face mask helps restore this balance, locking in hydration and preventing dryness or tightness. Moreover, moisturizers act as a protective barrier, shielding your skin from environmental aggressors like pollution, dust, and harsh weather conditions. This barrier helps keep your skin soft, supple, and healthy looking. Now let's delve into the world of natural moisturizers and explore 2-star ingredients that perfectly complement our natural face mask routine. Jojoba oil, a liquid wax derived from the seeds of the jojoba plant, is a skincare superhero that closely resembles our skin's natural sebum. This unique similarity allows jojoba oil to penetrate deeply into the skin without clogging pores, making it an excellent moisturizer for all skin types, even those prone to breakouts. Jojoba oil is a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamins E and B complex, as well as antioxidants. These beneficial compounds help nourish and protect the skin, promoting a healthy, youthful complexion. To incorporate jojoba oil into your post-mask routine, simply warm a few drops between your palms and gently massage onto your face and neck in upward circular motions. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and perfectly balanced. Coconut oil, a versatile oil extracted from mature coconuts, has taken the skincare world by storm, and for good reason. This tropical treasure is rich in fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent natural moisturizer, especially for dry or dehydrated skin. The fatty acids in coconut oil help replenish the skin's natural lipid barrier, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. Its antioxidant properties help protect the skin from environmental damage, while its anti-inflammatory benefits can soothe irritation and redness. To enjoy its moisturizing benefits, simply scoop a small amount of coconut oil from the jar and warm it between your palms. Gently massage the melted oil onto your face and neck, allowing it to absorb fully. Your skin will feel incredibly soft, smooth, and hydrated. Congratulations on discovering the power of natural ingredients for clear, radiant skin. By incorporating a simple yet effective face mask and nourishing moisturizers into your skincare routine, you're on your way to achieving a healthy, happy complexion. Remember, natural skincare is not just about the products you use, it's about embracing a holistic approach to self-care. Listen to your skin, be patient, and enjoy the journey. Nourishing your skin with nature's finest ingredients is an act of self-love, a way to connect with the Earth's abundance and enhance your natural beauty. Make these natural practices a regular part of your routine, and you'll reap the long-term benefits of a healthy, radiant complexion. Embrace the power of nature and let your skin reflect the beauty within. Remember that healthy, radiant glow we talked about, the one that comes from within? You're well on your way to achieving it. By embracing natural ingredients and simple skincare rituals, you're not just taking care of your skin, you're nurturing your overall well-being. True beauty radiates from a place of self-love, acceptance, and a deep connection with nature's wisdom. When you choose natural skincare, you're choosing to nourish your skin with the Earth's purest, most potent ingredients. These ingredients, free from harsh chemicals and synthetic additives, work in harmony with your body's natural rhythms, promoting balance and vitality. It's about mindful living, making conscious choices that support both your inner and outer health. Remember, the journey to clear, radiant skin is just that, a journey. There's no magic bullet, no overnight solution. It's about consistency, patience, and listening to your skin's unique needs. Embrace the process and enjoy the transformative power of natural ingredients. As you continue exploring the world of natural skincare, don't be afraid to experiment and customize your routine. Every ingredient has its unique properties, and what works best for your skin might be a combination of different elements. Pay attention to how your skin responds and adjust your routine accordingly. Embrace this sense of empowerment and enjoy the creative process of crafting your own natural skincare rituals. For centuries, cultures have relied on nature to enhance beauty and well-being. From Ayurvedic practices to traditional Chinese medicine, natural ingredients play a vital role. These traditions remind us that true beauty is timeless. It's about honoring our bodies and embracing ancestral wisdom. Incorporating natural ingredients taps into a legacy of beauty knowledge. So go ahead, embrace the natural glow. Let your skin reflect the beauty of the earth and the radiant, confident individual you are. Remember, true beauty is not about achieving perfection, but about embracing your unique individuality and nourishing your skin with the purest, most potent ingredients nature offers. As you continue your skincare journey, remember that you're not alone. Join the growing community of individuals embracing natural skincare practices and share your experiences, tips, and discoveries. Together, we can inspire each other, learn from one another, and celebrate the transformative power of natural beauty. Embrace the journey, trust in the process, and let your natural glow shine through. Your skin, your body, and the planet will thank you for it.